Why do we care about keywords? Because they're a channel to your prospects. Keywords represent a way to connect to the people you want to bring to your site, in the same way that a storefront on a busy street helps retailers connect to potential clients.
Retail stores want to have their windows on streets with a lot of traffic going by to enable them to reach people walking down that street. The shop windows enable the stores to connect with those people. In the same way, site owners need to use keywords to reach the people who are using those keywords in the search engines. The keywords allow sites to connect with users.
This is a very simple concept, but one that many website owners really don't seem to get. Over more than a decade, I've helped literally hundreds of businesses, large and small, with SEO issues, and I've noticed several things related to keywords.
Firstly, all too often, when I ask clients what their important keywords are, they don't know. Next, even if they think they do know, it often turns out that they're guessing. And even if they do know their keywords, I often have to ask why they think their website should come up in the search results for those keywords, because I see nothing on the site suggesting that it should.
So here's the basic principle. You have a site, and you want to bring people to that site.
Those people go to the search engines and type in keywords. If you're lucky, when these people click search, your site comes up in the results. So you have to use the keywords those people are using.
So an understanding of keywords is essential. If you don't know what keywords people are using, you can't connect with them. And if you don't use the keywords in the right way, you can't connect with them. So in this section of the course, we'll be looking at keywords in detail. It's the foundation of your SEO campaign, so you must get it right. We'll look at how to create an initial list of keywords and how to use that list to do a full keyword analysis in order to find out how often the words on your list are actually used by your potential customers and site visitors, and to find other words that you missed. And of course, we'll be looking at how you'll be using these keywords.